When I was a teenager, I left religion. I still believed in God, I believed in one God, but I forgot about religion. Because the only religion I'd been exposed to was Christianity, and this wasn't true. So I left religion, and I started to chase the dunya. This is what happens to many people. Many people throughout our life, whether you're Muslim, Christian, many people chase the dunya. And then, when I was 18 years old, when I was 16 years old, I became a jazz singer. I started singing. I don't sing anymore, alhamdulillah. But I started singing. And then when I was 18, I went to West Africa on business. I went to Senegal and I went to Sierra Leone. And I was very amazed by the Muslims. When I went to Africa, I was scared of Muslims. I thought they were terrorists. I thought they were bad people. I was scared of Muslims because of all the media, what they say about us. It had an effect on my thinking. So when I went to West Africa, I was surprised to see the manners of the Muslims. SubhanAllah, the Muslims were very genuine, good people. And at the time, I had nowhere to live. I didn't have any money. I was in Senegal and I had no money. And I was in a hotel and I told the hotel manager, I don't have money. So he said, no problem, come to my house. But the problem was he was a Muslim. I was scared. But I had no option. So I went to his house. I seen him pray. I seen his manners. And I heard the adhan. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. SubhanAllah. When you were born, what did your father recite in your ear? The adhan. Do you know Arabic when you were a baby? Why? It's waking up the fitrah. SubhanAllah. The fitrah understands. Hayya ala salah, hayya ala falah. The fitrah understands the call to Islam. And when I heard the adhan, SubhanAllah, I felt a very amazing feeling in my heart. And this gave me the encouragement to start to research Islam. I started to study Islam. I was trying to prove Islam wrong, but I couldn't. So when I was 23 years old, I accepted Islam. I am 32 now, so that's 9 years ago. I accepted Islam.